Welcome to Force Kite and Wake, everybody. We want to introduce this guy with this special magical surf wing. He put several hours on it, and I think last weekend you were able to get in the water and get your first session. Please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about this magical wing.
I'm Nick. I built this wing in my garage, vacuum bagged carbon fiber over foam core. And I modeled it after a couple of the production kite wings, and modeled the area after the larger Hydrofoil Malicos.
Nice.
And I wanted something big enough to paddle into waves without a kite, without any external power source.
Tell me about your session last week. You were very excited walking in the store. I want to hear. First session, what happened? Second session, whatever that was.
Well, it was my second session out, first day with about 3 feet of swell, and on a really soft outside wave that's not breaking really hollow, really easy wave. It was really easy to catch, paddled in, easy pop up, easy bottom turn, and yeah, just ride down the line from there.
Awesome, man. Well, I can tell you guys, this looks pretty cool. It's lighter than it looks. Actually, it's lighter than most wings I've seen. Why we're doing this video is, looks like surf foiling is catching up, and a lot of you guys are getting in the water, and a lot of you guys are researching on the internet how everything works. I guess we're all gonna learn a lot about foil surfing this year because everybody's talking about it. So we wanted to introduce Nick with his invention. He has quite a bit of hours on this wing. I see credit card here as a shim. But bottom line, get out there, start foil surfing. It's a lot of fun. If you guys have questions about foil surfing, give us a call, 843-329-3004. As you can see, we're also doing our homework, and we stock every single foil possible, and we ride them all. So ride on, ride with force, and see you all in the water.